welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download Ubuntu ISO file. First of all, go to your browser, just click Ubuntu ISO download. You will get first website here, download Ubuntu desktop. Just click on that. Once you click, you will find download Ubuntu desktop. Here if you come down, you will get Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS. LTS is nothing but long-term support, where this software is the genuine software which helps in long-term supporting. Another you will get like Ubuntu 25.10. This is not an LTS. This is you can check the OS or you can work multiple operation of latest Ubuntu systems. So just come here and click download. Once you enter the download, it will ask you something regarding this. Don't fill it up, it will automatically gets download here. It is of 5.9 GB, approximately 6 GB. So now you can see the download is completed. That's it guys, thank you for watching.